Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by going to the YouTube audio library and checking license details so you know what's allowed. You preview tracks to match tempo and mood to your footage. This saves time later. Download the file and immediately record the file name, duration, and any attribution text. Once done, place the audio in your project folder and back it up. Make sure to keep a copy of the license text. This step prevents surprises when you publish and helps you prove permission quickly. Now you import the track into your editing timeline and make precise trims so music supports dialogue, not overpower it. You normalize and apply gentle compression so levels stay consistent, then test against your narration. Once mixed, embed metadata, track title, artist, license type, and any required attribution. This makes future claims simpler. After finalizing, export a reference file and save the original download. If you use multiple tracks, keep a manifest listing sources and license terms for each one. Upload your video and paste the exact attribution into the description before publishing. Include artist, track, and license line. Choose upload settings and schedule as needed, then check YouTube Studio after processing for Content ID claims. If a claim appears, review the provider notes, and if you followed the license, prepare your proof. Screenshots of the audio library entry and the original file. If it's wrong, file a dispute with evidence. Alternatively, replace the track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.